welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam, and today we're getting ready to make Southern fried corn. Oh my goodness, simple ingredients, but with the ingredients you use, it has kind of a little smoky flavor to it, and it is just buttery and oh so delicious. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. All right, we are back, and like I said, real simple ingredients. First off, we have the star of the dish, the corn. Now, I'm just going to make a small amount because, well, I'm cooking for two, but I will have all the ingredients and exact measurements for a full-size dish in the description so you can make it in your kitchen too. Now, the one thing you will need is bacon fat. Now, I have my bacon fat already rendered down. I actually keep my bacon fat. And all that is cook your bacon, keep the fat. Keep the grease, keep the oil. What I do after I cook my bacon, each time I cook bacon, I strain it and I strain it again in a cheesecloth. And it comes out nice and clean as if I bought it out the store. And ooh, that smoky flavor. I think this is mostly hickory flavor at that. Okay, enough. If not, what you want to do is cook a couple of pieces of bacon, and you want to use that oil to fry your corn in. So I can skip that step today because I have rendered bacon fat right here. You're going to need some butter, a little heavy cream, salt and pepper. That's it. There's actually, well, you know what? This is actually fresh frozen corn. I guess you say, what is fresh frozen corn? Well, if you've noticed the prices in the stores, they're just astronomical now. Went in the store the other day and one piece of corn on the cob was $2 a piece. And I'm used to getting it for $4 for $1, $5 for $1. So the last time I found corn, I actually brought it home, cut it off the cob. I blanched it for maybe about 2 minutes and froze it. So this is fresh frozen corn. Now, you can use canned corn, you can use frozen corn, or you can use fresh corn. If you use fresh corn, you want to cut it off the ears. That's what you need to do in order to get it off of there. And it has that nice milk in there and everything, which I don't have that milk in there today, so a dash of heavy cream. Okay, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get over to the stove and get our southern fried corn fried up, y'all. All right. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go in with your bacon fat, or if you've just cooked the bacon, you just go ahead and use that bacon grease and add a couple of tablespoons of butter to it. Now we're going to wait until this is all melted down and combined, and then we'll be back. So you want to have your skillet on medium-high heat, and you can see all the deliciousness from that bacon fat, the brownness from that bacon fat. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing already. Go ahead and add your corn in. Make sure you stir it around and incorporate that butter and that bacon fat. Deliciousness. Oh my goodness. Yes. Now we're just going to spread it all out, and we're going to let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. This whole dish from beginning to end shouldn't take you any more than about 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. Okay, we're about halfway through, so we're going to go in and sprinkle a little salt in there and add in your black pepper. Salt and pepper to taste as always. Give that a good stir, and we're going to continue to cook this. Can you see it's changing colors? Doesn't that look amazingly delicious? Oh my goodness, and if you could smell it, the smokiness from the bacon. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by my kitchen today. I really do appreciate it. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Keep stirring it every now and then. Okay, this is looking amazing and smelling even better. Look at that. Can you see how it's changing colors in there? Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness. Now we're going to go in with another tablespoon of butter and just a little bit of heavy cream. Stir that up, let that butter melt, and then we're going to head over for a closer look because we're all done. Oh my goodness. We are all done. You know, I had to put another piece of butter in there. Not butter, butter. Yes, butter. This is Southern fried corn. Look at the color in there. Isn't that amazing? And if you all could just smell it, oh my goodness. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and share it out. If you can't do anything else for me, I would appreciate you sharing the video out and letting everybody you know what Pam is over here at Cooking at Pam's Place doing, making up these simple, easy meals from scratch. Oh my goodness, you all are so amazing. I love you all, and I will see you next time. The good Lord will it, and the creek don't rise.